Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. Starting with my hair. I'll put the link to this hair in my description box because it's hard to tell which hair is which. I think this is the loose wave human hair headband wig, but I will put the link down to it. Let me show y'all close up the wave pattern. Okay, I have on an Angelina sleeveless tunic. Got it from Romans a couple years ago, or a few years ago. I have on some yoga capris from Amazon. I love them. They're so soft, they hold stuff in, and they're comfortable. Let me show you this waistband. I'm like exposing myself, but it has a wide waistband and it sucks in stuff. My leg is hurting again. Every now and then my knee hurts. It'll be alright in a few minutes. I want to be saying, stop walking like Festus or somebody on Gunsmoke. Whoever that is on Gunsmoke, he used to walk like I'm walking. Bend that knee. Man, be quiet. Anyway, let me get my pose on. That's what I was supposed to be doing. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. These are the Crocs I'm wearing today. These are my black Crocs with the band. And this is what I put on my Crocs. I made some of these little shoe charms, I forgot what you call them. I made the bumblebees with the diamond wings and also the honeycombs, and I bought the other ones. Okay, this is part of my outfit of the day. Bye.